Attempt to shoot. 2 points. Alfred. No good. Rebound. Cruz. 2 points. Again. Bonilla. Lays up. 2 points. Short. Paya. Huli. Pull-up jumper. 2 points. To the corner. Rasto. Wow! Contra Santuele. Ordoña. Nice pass. 2 points. Gary Tanegra. Paya. 2 points. Emerson Paya. Pass. Santuele. Santuele. Tuti Guzman. Easy 2 points. Lamang na ang vortex ng isa. Steal. Brian. Layup. Foul. Basket counts. Foul. Brian. Brian. No good. Brian. 2 points. Gary. 2 points. Gary Tanegra. Jesus rebound, 25 seconds. JB, 2 points. JB Dalino. 10 seconds to shoot. Jesus, no good. Jesus, 2 points. 5 seconds. Sherwin, pull up. Woo! Nice pass. JDB. JDB. Ruel, Pasay, ganda ng pasahan. Sherwin, 2 points. Alfred, Alfred, no good. 2 points. Ben Amaro. Agawan ng bola, MJ, for 3. Jiggly, 2 points. Lamang na ang Fury ng Bonilla. Walang bantay. 3. Short. Pasay. De La Cruz. 2 points. Nice pass to Dalino. Pull-up jumper. 2 points. JB Dalino. Slow. Nagugulat sa pasa. 2 points. Jesus. Almost a steal. Gatchalian, 2 points. To Gary. Gary, 2 points. To 29. Brian, nice pass. What a pass. 2 points. Brian, layup, 2 points. 2 points, Gary Tanegra. Dalino, pull up, 2 points, JB Dalino. Dalino, to Brian. Layup, 2 points. 20 seconds. 2 seconds. Basket counts. Dana. Alfred. Pull up, 2 points. JDB. 3. Ordoña. Ordoña. Nice pass, Alfred. 2 points. Lamang na ng dalawa. On the break. Alfred. 2 points. Tatlo. Albino. Bonilla. 2 points. Nice defense. Amaro again. What a defense. Dino, 2 points. On the break. Nice pass. 2 points. Gatchalian. Go. Nice pass, Paya. Inside, 2 points. Isa na lang. Ayan. Nice pass, Gary. 2 points. Rebound, Paya. Sa ilalim, 2 points. Emerson, Paya. Gatchalian. Nice pass. Pull up. 2 points. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 2 points. Grabe naman yun. What a move. Nawala ang bola. Nice pass again. Gatchalian, 2 points. MJ for 3. 3! JB, nice pass. No good. Liwanag, 2 points. 4 lang ang kalamangan dito. Paya. Paya. Pinanis sa kababa, 2 points. Gatchalian. Huli. 7 seconds remaining. On the break. Pass to Paya. Reverse, 2 points. All na, all 54. Okay, with the rebound. Amaro. Amaro, side step, 2 points. Lamang ng dalawa. Monilla. To JB. 2 points. JB Dalino. Ordoña. 8 seconds to shoot. Ordoña, pull up. Woo! 2 points. Type. Kuya BJ. To Ordoña. Ordoña, pull up. Woo! 2 points. Ordoña. 5 to shoot. Ordoña, pull up. Woo! 2 points. JDB for 3. 3! Santuele. For JB. Foul basket counts. 5 seconds to shoot. Kuya BJ. 3! Santuele. 2 points. JB Dalino. 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 2 points. 1 minute remaining. Brian. Nice pass. Easy 2 points. 66-71. End of regulation. Final score 71-66. Congrats, Team Fury.